I moved to New York when I was about 19 years old to finish college, and one of the things that I missed the most was having a big backyard and outdoor space. Well, now that I'm an adult and I have a house with a big backyard, I can fill it with whatever I want, and that's why I love this project that we're doing today. We are making solar lanterns that I'm gonna hang from my trees that will turn on automatically when the sun goes down. Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful striped solar lanterns that you can hang from the trees in your backyard or on your patio. Up to you. And the great thing about them is you can just forget about them. When the sun goes down, the lights go on. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And like I always say, I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some summer lanterns. Create a flat surface using several layers of cardboard taped together. These lines will help you easily center your glass vase on the cardboard. This is a fun technique for pots, plates, or pencil cups. I'm hanging these lanterns with ribbon, but you could use strips of fabric, any kind of cord, or chain. If you don't want to use the striped glass for lanterns, you could always use them for a pencil cup holder or a vase, or even a set of drinking glasses, as long as you don't use the paint around the rim of the glass where your lips touch. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books. I'm gonna leave a link below for those two, and I will see you next week. Bye.